Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about writing lowercase cursive letters, G, Q, Y, and Z. For your practice, you are going to practice writing those lowercase cursive letters on your own, either on a piece of paper or in your reader's notebook, whichever your teacher prefers. You are going to write one line of the letter G, one line of the letter Q, one line of the letter Y, and one line of the letter Z. Then you're going to create one line of each group, G, Q, Y, Z, another line with the group Z, Y, Q, G, another row Q, G, Z, Y, and the last row is going to be Y, Q, G, Z. You're going to turn that into your teacher when you are finished.